Welcome, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can uninstall apps on this Panasonic TV. First of all, we have to click Apps button on the remote control. Next, we have to go for the right upper corner for this icon. And then select to uninstall apps. We have to input this child lock pin. If you don't remember this code, it will be probably 4 times 0 or 4 times 1. Let's try 4 times 1. As you can see, in my case it's working, so I would like to uninstall this Meteo News TV. Click yes if you want to uninstall. And as you can see, we simply get rid of that application. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.